Hello, Santosh.
Hello.
Yeah, you are able to hear me?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Chetan, are you able to hear me?
Aditya, job. Sir.
Chetan? Chetan.
Hello.
Chetan.
Hello.
Chetan. Chetan, can you hear me?
Chetan, can you hear me?
Who is this Aditya or Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I can hear you.
Now I can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Now you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Santosh is okay.
Hello.
Then what about?
Hello, Santosh.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Aditya.
Raj.
Hello, Santosh.
Yeah, Aditya, tell me. Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
So Aditya, others. Santosh,
Hello,
Chetan, and
Santosh.
Aditya.
Yes, sir.
I think Aditya has some problem.
Hello.
Aditya. Aditya.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm able to hear the
Yes,
voice.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so Santosh, Chetan, Aditya, all the others, all the three people are able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Javed is going to join or we'll start it? Yep.
We can start, sir.
Fine, otherwise somebody record it, we'll start it.
Okay, sir.
Fine, let me take you into the smart forms. So if you observe, we already created the layout
Yes, sir.
part in the previous class, and then we put the heading and the logo. Now we are trying to get the address
Yes, sir.
of the customer and address of the vendor. So these are the two addresses we need to get. So generally when you are trying to create the invoice, we will generally rely on two tables, that is BBRK is a billing details header table. I'll go to VBRK. This is header table for billing. So billing document header data. And the next one is, if you go to VBRP, this is billing document item details. Now let me take any one of the billing document number. So what I will do, maybe I'll take this particular document number 9005178. How many items does this has? This has 4 items.
Yes.
Fine. So let me check what is the company code. Company code is BUKRS. Let us see where is the field BUKRS and what's the value for that. Okay, sorry. A company code you need to see in VBRK table, header table. See, is there anywhere BUKRS field is there? Yeah, see, if you observe,
1000.
BUKRS is 1000. BUKRS means company code. Okay, so company code is 1000. For this 1000, what is the address number? That means we are trying to find out the address for the company. So now you need to first find out for the given billing document what is the company code. The company code is 1000 in this case. So take this 1000 and go to the table T001. There is one more table called T001. Go to that table. So give here your company code, maybe 1000 or 2000, whatever you get from the VBRK table. Give the company code here and continue. Then what you will get? You will get an address number here. Address number is 1 to 1. Address number is 1 to 1. Take this address number and give it to your smart form. But in script what we have done, after once we get the address number, we went to ADRC table.
Yes, sir.
And ADRC table we got the data. But that
Yes.
step we can eliminate here. Okay.
Okay.
So let me create a small program and I will write a logic and show it to you how you can get the address number, how you will pass the address number to the smart form. So let me create a program. So here I will say
Tables.
parameters p underscore what is the main input for us? Billing document number VBELN. Parameters VBELN, type VBRK hyphen VBELN. Start of selection. Perform get data. I'll double click on perform get data and create a form get data. In form get data, I'll try to get the data from VBRK table first. So I'll write select single star
From
from
VB.
VBRK table. See here I am writing star, but in your real time you just fetch what are all the fields you required from VBRK.
Okay, sir.
You know that star means all the fields, correct?
Yes.
But if you use star, it will reduce the performance. So now here I am using star to reduce the time, but in the real time, whenever you are doing, you just pick up the fields which are required inside the smart form or calculations. And select star from VBRK into,
It is
so you need to put it into some work area, correct?
sir.
So now I'll declare a work area here,
Tables.
tables,
VBRK,
VBRK.
comma VBRP. Next.
Now into is not required, where
Babylon.
VBELN is equal to P underscore
Babylon.
VBELN. So header details scan. Now the next table. Now what is our aim? We need to get the company address. To get the company address, what we need to do? Which table we need to go? We need to go to the table T001. Select single star from.
T001. Sir, before that we need to go.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, before that we need to go VBRP table also, no sir?
VBRP is not required. VBRK table itself, if you give a billing document number into VBRK table, VBRK itself has BUKRS.
Okay, sir.
See, I'll go to the VBRK. I'll give the billing document number, maybe 9005178 whatever. I'll give the billing document number. If you give the billing document number, it has BUKRS. So I'll pick up that BUKRS and go to T001.
Okay, sir.
Okay. From T001 into, so I need to declare another work area now here.
T001.
Where BUKRS is equal to VBRK hyphen
BUKRS.
BUKRS.
Yes.
So now our T001 work area has the address number, correct?
Yes, sir.
So T001 has address number. So now we need to pass the address number to get the address. Now what I will do? Go to the smart form. Go to the smart form. In the smart form there are three areas. In the beginning I have told you there are three areas. Form attributes. Form attributes will tell you like what are the attributes of the particular form. For example, who has created date, created time, changed by date, time, etc. Correct? Those are the form attributes. Next one is the form interface. Form interface means, remembered anybody what is the form interface?
So, making connections.
It's a making connection.
Parallel
That means if you want to pass some value, if you want to pass some value from driver program to the script, you can do it here in the form interface. Global definition means if you want to declare variable locally inside the smart form, you can do it in a global declaration.
Okay, sir.
Global declarations means only specific to the smart form. It's nowhere related to the driver program. So now what is my aim? I got the address number in the driver program.
Yes,
I address number I want to pass it to the
smart form.
smart form. So which option shall I select? Shall I go for interface
Yes, sir.
or global declaration?
Interface.
So I need to go for the interface, correct? Because I need to pass. Interface is a connection between a driver program and smart form. So I will double click on interface. So from the driver program, I want to import something. I want to import a work area, WA1 maybe, work area 1 type, which is having T001 structure. Because in the select query, what we have written, select a single star from T001 table into T001 work area itself, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now that whatever we got in the T001 work area, I will get inside the smart form work area WA1, or you give here the same name, T001 name also you can give. So I have declared one work area inside the smart form WA1 type T001. Now activate your smart form. After activating, execute, copy this function module name, copy this function module name. You know that whenever we activate a smart form, a function module will be generated, correct? Copy that function module name, go inside your program. Here I will say perform call smart form. I'll create perform. I need to call smart form here. How to call this smart form? Go to the patterns. We know the function module name. Call the function module. So when you are calling this smart form, if you observe, WA1 is coming up. From where this WA1 is coming up, where we have declared this WA1?
In the smart form interface, sir. Form interface.
In the smart form attributes.
Yes.
So in the smart form attributes, because you have declared WA1, this is coming up. To this, which value we are trying to pass? T001 work area, whatever we got the details into T001, I will pass to WA1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what happened? If I do like this, this means that inside the program we got some details into the work area of T001, which I am passing to the smart form work area WA1.
Okay.
Always enable exceptions and message. Now go inside your smart form. Now I want to put the address. Okay, so I want to put the address, so I'll double click on this address window, right click, create address. There is something called address here. Click on this, right click, create address. Okay, so here it's asking the address number. You need to give the address number.
Yes, sir.
If you know the address number is 121, then you can hard code it here, but you don't know. Maybe address number maybe 121 for this billing document company code. Maybe tomorrow some other billing document has company code 2000, then address number also gets varied, correct?
Yes,
so how
sir.
to give this?
Work area hyphen.
Address number will be there in T001-ADRNR, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so T001 means inside the program, but inside the smart form
WA1.
WA1. So what we need to do, click here, dynamic field value, click on this symbol. So in between ampersands, you give here WA1 hyphen ADRNR. Okay. So do you want to use any paragraph format for this? P2 you want to use, or P1 you want to use, put the paragraph format.
Default.
I want to use the P1 as a paragraph format. Number of lines to be used. How many number of lines you want in the output? Maybe 6 lines or 7 lines or 10 lines you can specify. Okay. Fine. So now save this. Check. So it's saying WA1 ADR runner has no defined value because this value is getting inside the program. It's a warning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't bother about the warning. Activate the smart form. Activate your program. Driver program you activate now and execute. I think we need to take correct billing document number. We have taken some wrong billing document number.
Yes, sir.
So we'll take the billing document number from VBRK table. This is the one. Put it here. Execute. So now if you observe, the company address is automatically coming up. Maybe 10 lines it's taking. Okay.
Yes.
So address filling up, company address. Now, one more point, if you observe what's happening,
It's coming up.
this is having border, this window having border, correct?
Yes, sir.
And these letters and this border both are overlapping. See, F is almost touching with the border. I, the first letter of each and every line is touching the border, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I don't want like that. I want a small gap in that. How to put the gap?
Give a space in the beginning.
Give a space in the beginning. Okay, that's a good way. Okay, any other idea?
Or else we can create one more
What you can do is
window. Just like
oh,
what we have
okay,
done
that's
for
also
logo.
fine. Good, correct, good. So another way, I'm going to tell you another way.
Style. Yes.
Go to the style.
Giving space, tab spaces.
Go to the paragraph format P1. Okay, here there is something called, wait, I'll tell you, paragraph format. Go to the P1. So here left margin is there, something called left margin. Give the left margin as 0.1 centimeter.
Yes.
And activate this. Now come back and execute once again a smart form. So now see, there is a gap. Okay.
Yes.
0.1 centimeter gap is there between the window frame and the address which you're printing. Fine. So now we got the company address. Next we are trying for
Vendor address.
customer, payer address
Payer
or
address.
customer address.
Yes.
So now we'll go to the VBRK table to see the payer is available here. First let us check what is the field name for the payer.
KUNRG.
KUNRG is the field name for the payer. So let us see what is the value of this KUNRG for the given billing document number. This is assume this is a billing document number. For this billing document number, KUNRG value. What is the KUNRG value? KUNRG is 1175. KUNRG is 1175. So we need to take this value 1175 and we need to go to the table KNA1. Go to the S11 transaction. Go to the table KNA1. In the KNA1 table, you give the address number, 1175. The pair number you give it here in KNA1 table. If you observe, there is an address number here. If you see this record, there is an address number 6676. This is address number. Take this address number and give it in the smart form.
Yes.
Okay. So like that we can improve the performance. We can get the address, pair address. So now what I will do? I will go to the program. Get
Customer address.
pair address. Select single star from KNA1. I need to declare one more work area to get the details of KNA1. So I will go to the top, declare a work area, KNA1. So I don't write into class here, I will directly write where condition, where, tell me.
That was KUNRG.
No, KNA1 table has which field? It don't have KUNRG field.
Yeah,
It has
IADR.
KUNNR.
Yes.
KUNNR. So KNA1 table has a KUNNR field which should map with VBRK KUNRG.
Yes.
So VBRK has a pair number. You take the pair number, maybe 1175. That will be there in VBRK KUNRG, and put it into the KNA1 KUNNR.
Yes.
KNA1 table, I will take you. See, KNA1 table has a field KUNNR. It's not KUNRG. Okay?
So we understood.
Fine. So now I will save it. Now what shall I do? I will go to the smart form.
Create one more.
Now I want to pass the KNA1 details to the smart form. So what I will do? I will go to the form interface. I will create one more work area 2 maybe. Type KNA1. Now activate. Now what I will do? This call function is there.
Yes, sir.
I will remove the call function. See, remember that here, as of now, you have WA1 only.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do? Just to show you, I am deleting the function module. I will call the function module once again. Same function module. I will call once again. Now if you observe, WEA1 is also there and WEA2 is also there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means whatever you are adding in the form interface, those parameters are coming in the function module.
Okay, sir.
So previously for WA1 we passed P001. For WA2 now we need to pass KNA1.
One.
KNA1 work area. Whatever the details we'll get in KNA1 work area, so that we are passing it to the function module. Enable exceptions message. Activate. Now go to your smart form. Go to the second address, address 2, right click and create address.
Yes.
Here what shall I give? 2 ampersands WA2
And one
ADRNR.
default
Paragraph format
P1.
P1. So whenever you activate, this will come. Address 2 has no defined value because this is not a particular value, this is a variable. We will give like this. It's not a problem. Go to the editor, change report. Go to the print preview. So this is your pair address. This is the company address and this is the pair address. So now pair address also coming with a 0.1 line spacing. The frame and the letters are having space.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we have now printed the company address and the pair address. Now let me take you into the next window. The next window is header details window. In this window, I just want to print the different details coming from the VBRK table. So for the given billing document number, what is the billing document number? I also want to print a barcode. Okay, so I want to print the billing document number. And I also want to print the sales organization for that, distribution channel, Incoterms part 1, part 2. So I want to print these details and the barcode. So all these fields are there in the table VBRK. So we are already getting the table. We are already write a select query for the VBRK table. Correct. From the VBRK table to get the data, we have already written a select query. So no need to write any more select query. We can use the data which is there in VBRK table directly. Now what I will do? Go to the smart form. Just give me 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, let's continue. So
Yes, sir.
let us go to the detail window. In the detail window, right click, create text. I'll go here, right click, create text. So whenever you say right click, create text, a text will appear, a text box will appear here. Now what you need to do, click on this icon, editor icon. Okay. And then here you need to write, go to change editor. Here the screen comes, this is just like our
Script screen.
script editor, correct? Script editor. So you can do whatever you are doing in the script, same thing you can do it here. Say for example, if I want to give the billing document number, what we need to do, I will say VBRK Weblan, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I will say here,
Ampersand.
but VBRK, does the VBRK details are passed to the smart form?
No, sir.
VBRK details we are fetching in the program, correct?
Yes, sir.
Those details should be passed to the smart form.
Yes, sir.
Just like address number or address details we are getting inside the program, and then address number we are passing into the smart form, correct? Work area 1, work area 2 we are declaring in the form interface and we are passing it.
Yes.
Like that VBRK details also you need to pass to the smart form, correct?
Yes, sir.
So first we will do the step and we'll come here. So now what I will do, I'll go to the form interface. So here I will declare one more work area. Work area name VBRK. Instead of giving WA1, WA2, I have given work area name also VBRK. Type VBRK. Now activate this. Go to the program. Here, once again if you call the function module, VBRK will come here. So add here VBRK. VBRK. So what I am doing, this is a program related, that means whatever the data you are fetching, that data will be there in this work area. This work area I am passing to the smart form work area. Okay, activate this. Now go to the details window text.
Change editor.
Click on this editor. Go to change editor. The go to change editor, what do you need to do? First, VBRK table. From VBRK table, I want few fields. I want billing document. Billing document means VBRK hyphen VBELN. After that I want a sales organization. happened? Let me just go out and come. Some truncation is happening. Okay, fine. So let me do it once again. I'll give the paragraph format first. Maybe I'll give the paragraph format P4, some new paragraph format. Billing document number. After that, sales organization. I also want Incoterms 1 and 2. Otherwise, just Incoterm 1 only I will print. And I want to print the barcode. You know how to print the barcode, correct?
Yes, sir.
In the script, how we have printed the barcode?
By defining a character format.
Character format. Here also what I will do? Billing document. I will put in a character format
One.
C1 so that it will come in a bold letters. After that, I will put a tab here, one tab space. This tab I need to declare in the paragraph format P4. After VB archive Veblen, again I will put one more tab space. I'll give the sales organization. Again I will give paragraph format. What I will do, I will take this part and put it in the next line. If you want to make the first line continuation as a second line, remove this. So what I will do, character format C1 I will put for the sales organization, and I will give another tab space and after that I will print VKORG, sales organization. For Incoterms, also I will give the character format. And I will give a colon, that means tab space. After that I will give the colon. And barcode also I want to print in a bold letters. And for the barcode we have already declared a character format C2, so I will give C2 here. And so now I need to define this paragraph format P4 with the certain tab spacings. I will come back, save the text, save and activate your smart form. Go to the smart style to create the paragraph format P4. Go to the style, now I want to create a paragraph format P4 which is a copy of P1. I'll just copy this P1, all the properties of P1 will come to the P4 now if I do this. So paragraph format P4 is created. Now go to the tabs. So now tab position, the first tab, for the first tab I'll give say 4 centimeters. Second tab I'll give 10 centimeters. And third tab I'll give 13 centimeters. So we have already discussed this tab concept in scripts, so I'm not discussing in detail. But if you have any questions, you can ask me, like what is this 4, 10, 13. If you are unable to understand, you just ask me. I'll show you the print preview. So now what's happening, this barcode is overlapping. So because barcode is overlapping, I'll just go to the smart form.
Space.
Go to the details window and give a space. So now let me go to the program and execute once again whether it is coming correctly or not. Okay, now it's okay. See, exactly the 9 below CIP is coming, sales organization is coming with some separator. This is okay. So now whatever you want in bold color, billing document, sales organization, Incoterms, all these you put in a bold color, character format C1. So those are coming in bold color. Now the next agenda is put the column headings. So here I will give the serial number, etc., etc. What are all the fields we want to put in a main window. Okay, I want to put in the main window um, the item number, billing item number, FKIMG. This is the actual invoice quantity. Material number, and I also put the material number, MATNR will be there somewhere. Yeah, this is the MATNR, material number, material description, and there will be the price, NETWR. Yeah, this is the price. Net value of the billing item in document currency. So now let me show you what and all I am going to print. So in the first position, in the first column, what I am going to print is serial number. Okay, just like our smart form, I am going to print serial number. After the serial number, I want to print the material number or item number, the first one. Okay, item number. Now the next one is material number. In the next column, I want to print material description. Okay, so after material description, the next thing what I want to print is quantity.
Quantity.
Then after the quantity, I want to print
Net value.
price,
Price.
net value. Okay, so this I will call net price. Okay, but what is the unit price? How we will get the unit price? Say for example, a material is there. Material, say for example, material number 101. I bought 5 quantity. Invoice means billing. Like when you go to the big bazaar, they will give like this. So on so product, you buy 5 quantity and 5 quantity price is 500. So what is the price of each quantity?
100.
What 100? So what you have done? How you have calculated?
Hello.
Divided the net quantity.
500 divided by 5.
Quantity.
Net price by quantity. That I will do in unit price. Okay. So unit price won't be there available in the table. In the table you cannot find out the unit price. But in the smart form I want to print the unit price also. So while printing the unit price, I will calculate that price divided by quantity is the unit price, and I will print the unit price here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these are the things I want to do these are the details I want to display in the form.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So these are the headings. Now what you will do, go to your smart form, column headings, right click, create template. There is something here called template. Create this. Column headers, right click, create template. So now a template has been created here. Okay. So now a template means something like this, which I have marked in the Excel. That complete window has been created. See, this is a particular window. I will zoom it so that you can see in a more proper way. See, this is C1 is written. No? C1 is marked like this. See that C1 is equal to your Excel marked area. This serial number, item number, everything you can write it in C1. Now if you want to divide it, see there is a pencil symbol here. Draw lines and columns. Click on this pencil symbol and you can divide this into different cells. Each and every cell you will write in one first cell you will write a serial number, second cell you will write item number, third cell you will write material number, etc. etc. Okay, like that you can divide the cells.
Okay, sir.
But the thing is, if you divide like that, you don't know that how many centimeters you provided for each and every cell.
Yes, sir.
Correct. If you don't want to, that means if you want to divide the row into exactly definable length, then go to this, click on this detail icon. Click on this detail icon. Okay. So now it is asking what is the window height? What is the column header window height? Go to the column headings, output options. What is the height of this window? 1 centimeter. What is the width?
16.
16. Height is 1. Okay. Let us go to the template. Go to the template and yeah, detail. Go here, detail. So what is the height of the window?
1.
What is the height of the column header window?
1, sir.
1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So what I'll do? I'll put here 1
Centimeter.
units centimeters. So window width is 16 centimeters.
Yes.
Now window width I need to adjust among all this. Okay, so what I will do? Serial number I will put some 1.5 centimeters. Okay, item number also I will put some 1.5 centimeters. Material number 3 centimeters I will put. Material description 4 centimeters I will put. Quantity 3. Let us see what is the total. What should be the total? What should be a total?
Total 19. 19.
No. Actually here 19, but what is your window width?
16.
16. So this total should be
16.
equal to your window width. Got it? 16. So now you adjust it accordingly. So I'll make quantity as 2.5. I'll make the unit price also 2.5 and this also 2.5. Now let us see. This is still 17.
So serial
Then
number.
I need to reduce material description. I will reduce. I will put it as 3. Okay. So this is how you need to frame a basic idea, like what is the how many centimeters you want for each and every cell, So now once you decide like this, go to your layout and put it here. First cell, how many centimeters you want?
1.5.
1.5. Correct. For serial number you want 1.5. Yeah, put here 1.5. For second,
1.5.
item number also you want 1.5. So put 1.5. Third, 2.5. Put it. Fourth,
3.
3 centimeters. Put it. Press enter. Okay, now you want the next. After fourth, fifth you want. Click this right column. Fifth will come. Again, if you click, sixth will come. Seventh will come. Like that. You can insert the columns. So fifth column, how many you want? 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. You want 3, 2.5 centimeters. Fifth also 2.5, sixth also 2.5, seventh also 2.5. Give it. Press enter. Now there is a button here. Click on check. When you check this, what SmartForm will do? It will add up all the cell widths. Say it will add up all these things, and it will check whether this is equivalent to window width or not.
Yes.
Okay. If you click on this button, SmartForm will automatically checks whether whatever you have given, each and every cell width, when it sums up, it's equivalent to the window width or not. If it is not matching, it will give you a error message or warning message here, so that you can correct it. Okay. And here name is there. Instead of percentage C1, I will give the C1. Simply give some name. I am giving the name as C1. Now save it. So this is the template. Save the template and go to the table painter. Go here. There is something called table painter. Click this table painter. So now if you observe, see, all these are divided into cells. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now I'll zoom it. Now see, all these are divided. Actually what you can do, you can just take the pencil from here and draw the lines. But if you draw the lines, you will not get this exact length. It will be approximate length. Some line may be at 3.4 centimeter, some line may be at 1.5 centimeters. We don't know what exact length. But if you go inside the detail window, then you can give the exact length specification. Okay. Then this is called pattern. What is the pattern? Do you know the pattern in Excel? Say for example, now I want to give a box here. I will select this, go here and give all borders. Now see what happened. A box is coming up. Correct. So like that, I can select the pattern in the SmartForm also. Go here, select pattern and select. I am selecting this one. This pattern I am selecting. Okay, done. Once you do this, right click, create text. In the first one, what you are trying to put? First one, what you are going to write? Serial number, correct? SL.NO. You can write it here, or what you can do? Go to the change editor. So here I will give paragraph format P5. I will give a new paragraph format. At the end, what I will do? I will try to give some length and etc. for that. P5 I have given the number. Okay, create more text. Right click, create another text. Go change editor. I'll give the paragraph format P5. What is the next thing? Item number. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Second cell is item number, so I'm giving this. Right, create text, paragraph format I'll give P5. P5 I have not yet created, I'll create it later. P5. So here material number, go to change editor, material text or material description, next one is quantity, next one after quantity, unit price, right click, create text, the last one, net price. So these are the things which we want to include, correct?
Yes, sir.
P5. So now one more small step you need to do here. Double on the first cell, click on the first cell, go to the output options. In the output option here it is asking line and column.
Sir.
Okay, it's, you see here, if you observe, it's asking the line and column number here. So I'll give here line number 1, column number 1 for the serial number. Here I'll give line number 1, column number 2, line number 1, column number 3. That means print this text in the third column. Next one, print the text in the fourth column. Print this text in fifth column. 6th and 7th column. So give this and then activate your smart form. Now go to the smart and create the paragraph format P5. Go to the smart style, click on change paragraph format. So I'll copy
Set headings.
P1, better I'll copy the P1 itself and then I'll create P5. Font size I will make it as 10, but font style I will make it as bold. Activate. So now let us execute the script and see how it looks. Let us execute our smartphone. Fine, so this appears like this. Wait, I really doubt whether the correct paragraph format is applied or not. Still, paragraph format, font style. Okay, this is active. So apply this paragraph format P5. So double click on each and every cell. If the paragraph format is not there, you select the P5 paragraph format for each and everything. Okay, now I'll execute. Okay, so now this is how our serial number, item number, everything, these descriptions and all are coming.
Okay.
So now the next task is going for the main window.
Yes.
So maybe probably we will discuss the main window in the next class because main window is it will take lots of time.
Okay. So
If I do half now and half tomorrow, then it will be a confusion. So let us start this main window tomorrow, but in main window from where we will get the data? We will get the data from VBRK table. Okay, I think at least that part we can do it now. We will just take the data from VBRP table, put it into an internal table. I'll go to the program. I'll declare an internal table here, which is like VBRP. So I will say data VB IT underscore VBRP, internal table VBRP type table of VBRP. So I have declared one internal table here, which is of VBRP type, and here I will say get item details. Now here I will write the select query, select star from VBRP table and put it into table IT underscore VBRP, where VBELN is equal to VBRK hyphen VBELN. So now what will happen? Your data will go and sits in this internal table. Now we need to pass this internal table to the smart form. So to pass the internal table to the smart form, go to the form interface.
Declare on internal table.
Where to declare? So shall I write it here?
Here.
IT underscore
Tables?
ID underscore VBRP
No, sir.
type
Like. Okay.
type VBRP. If I give like this, is it an internal table or a structure? IT underscore VBRP.
It's a
Structure, sir.
It is a structure. I want to make it as a table. What to do?
Table type. Sir.
tables.
You should use that type. Table type.
Use a table type here instead of VBRP. In the associated type, this is the associated type, correct? In the associated type, use the table type here. Then it will become an internal table. Okay. So is there any table type available for VBRP table? Let us go to the SE11. Click on this data type, VBRP, and click on F4 button. Now the system is asking for which you are searching. I am searching for table types. Yeah, now there are so many table types are available. See, I will take this VBRP underscore tab. This is a table type. Click on display. Oh, VBRP VB is there. So it is inside. You need to have only VBRP. Then only that is a table type for VBRP. Okay, so this is not suitable. Let us take one more table type for VBRP. So there is something ZZTY VBRP, something is there. Let us see this. Yeah, now if you see inside line type is VBRP. So this is the table type which is having a structure inside like VBRP. So this is a table type. Now take this table type and give the table type here. Okay. So then it is an internal table. Now IT VBRP is an internal table. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, if you don't want to do like this, if you don't want to do like this, what you can do? You go to the tables. You go to the tables. Here give IT underscore VBRP. In the type assignment, you give the like and associated type VBRP. This is also an internal table. This is a tables tab. As long as you are in a tables tab, if you give structure here and like assignment here, this will become an internal table.
Okay, sir.
Remember this. Okay. So now I declared one internal table in the smart form. So now I need to pass in which tab I have declared? Tables tab. I have declared the internal table. Now I need to pass the internal table from my program to the smart form. How to pass? Go to the program. Go to the program, driver program. Here, because you have given in a tables tab, you give here tables IT underscore VBRP is equal to IT underscore VBRP. So this IT underscore VBRP is the internal table which is declared in the program. This IT underscore VBRP is the internal table which is declared in the smart form. Say for example, in the smart form, if you have given IT underscore VBRP 1 or XYZ or something here, the same thing you need to give it here. Okay? Because I have declared IT underscore VBRP in the program as well as in the smart form. I am giving the same things here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what we have done, we have created one internal table, we got the data from VBRP table, we passed it to smart form. Okay, and tomorrow we will see how to display the internal table details in the main window. Now what we need to do, in the main window we need to display the details, correct?
Yes, sir.
How to display those details in the main window, let us see in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so we'll stop here.